What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to film puppets in slow motion being hit by BBs. Let's see if it's going to set them off and they're going to pop. I got my BB gun right here. I'm gonna film it at 27,000 frames per second. I don't know, I didn't see this spark. Let's see it in slow motion. It might have popped one or two. That was just at 27,000 frames per second, so I'm not really expecting too much. But did any of them spark up or did I miss them all? Oh wow, no way! It only exploded one of them. That's it. That's so cool. You know what? I think I'm gonna bring out pellet rifle, and those pellets 22 millimeter, I think. Those pellets are a lot bigger, so we're gonna hopefully set off few of them, not just one. Okay, let's see if we're going to let few of them pop. I did not see the spark when you're hitting them, but I did hear quite a few of them pop. So hopefully in slow motion it's going to be pretty amazing. Let's check this out. Okay guys, there you go, bullet fly. Whoa! There's like at least 4 or 5 blow up. Let me zoom it back in. I mean rewind. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at least. That's so beautiful. Wow. Okay, one more shot guys I want to film just to see what it looks like. I'm gonna put all these puppets down here and I'm gonna hit it from here, and let's see how many of them will pop, and we'll film slow motion from this angle. Okay guys, there goes nothing. I don't know guys, sounded like when I hit them, they flew away and then they popped when they hit the ground. But let's see it in slow motion. Okay guys, that was 62,000 frames per second. Whoa, oh my gosh, they all exploded, so many of them. Wow, let me rewind that because it happened so fast. I should have filmed it at 100,000 frames per second for sure. To be honest, I didn't even think it's going to work. You know what? I have to film this again at the 100,000 frames per second. Sun is peeking out, so I think I'll have no problem now. Okay guys, there it is, 100,000 frames per second. Let's watch it. Whoa! This is like a lightning storm. Exploding so slow and slowing down at the end. Let's rewind it real quick. This is so amazing. And you know, the pellet slows down so quickly. This is just mesmerizing. I really like the darkness of it actually. You know what, 100,000 frames per second was worth to film it. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Definitely my favorite slow motion video I ever filmed, that's for sure. And if you think so too, please thumbs up this video. Let me know in comments below what do you want to see next to be filmed in slow motion, and I'll see you next time.